Imagine your social platform goes viral overnight. Millions of users are liking, commenting, and retweeting simultaneously. But within minutes, your backend collapses. Connection pools fill up, database locks trigger cascading timeouts, and your application crashes into a complete blackout. Traditional relational databases were never built to handle 10 million concurrent real-time actions per second. Why do traditional systems fail so spectacularly? Because synchronous request-response loops create tight coupling. Every single scroll, like, and share forces the web server to wait for a database write lock before returning a response. At scale, this architecture acts like a massive gridlock on a narrow highway. To build StreamSocial, a platform capable of processing billions of daily events, we must completely discard synchronous writes and embrace asynchronous event streaming. Enter Apache Kafka, the high-throughput distributed event streaming platform powering tech giants worldwide. Instead of treating data as static tables stored on disk, Kafka treats every user interaction as a continuous, immutable stream of events. By shifting to an event-driven architecture, StreamSocial decouples post-creation from notifications, analytics, and feed generation. Let us open the blueprint and build this engine step by step. At the absolute core of Kafka lies a beautifully simple concept: the append-only distributed commit log. Every action on StreamSocial, a new post, a direct message, or a follow, is written sequentially to the end of a log file on disk. Because sequential disk I/O outperforms random memory access, Kafka achieves blistering read and write speeds. Data is never modified in place. It is strictly recorded in exact chronological sequence. To process millions of events per second, StreamSocial organizes data into topics, like user likes or post impressions. But a single topic cannot scale endlessly on one server. Kafka solves this by splitting topics into partitions, distributed across a cluster of brokers. Each partition operates as an independent append log, allowing StreamSocial to horizontally scale throughput by simply adding more partitions and brokers to the cluster. Look at how StreamSocial handles a user posting a video. The mobile app acts as a producer, sending a single video uploaded event into the Kafka cluster in under 2 milliseconds. Instantly, multiple independent consumer services, such as the feed generator, push notification engine, and AI content moderator, read from that same event topic at their own pace, without affecting each other or slowing down the user. What happens when StreamSocial's user activity explodes during a breaking news event? We assign consumer instances to a consumer group. Kafka automatically maps specific partitions to individual consumer instances. If traffic doubles, we launch more consumer containers. Kafka dynamically rebalances the partitions across the group, distributing the workload evenly with zero downtime and guaranteed message ordering per partition key. Now, let us put StreamSocial to the ultimate test, simulating 1 million simultaneous user interactions per second. Watch the live telemetry metrics. Throughput surges, yet latency remains flat at under 5 milliseconds. Zero dropped packets, zero memory leaks, and zero database locks. Kafka's zero-copy data transfer transfers page cache bytes directly to the network socket, keeping CPU usage extraordinarily low under peak stress. In high-scale system design, hardware failure is inevitable. To ensure StreamSocial never goes offline, Kafka enforces topic replication. Every partition has one leader broker and multiple in-sync replicas. If a physical broker crashes midstream, Kafka's controller instantly promotes a follower replica to leader within milliseconds. Users never experience a single dropped like or disconnected stream. You now hold the exact blueprint used by top tech companies to scale real-time systems to millions of users. By mastering Apache Kafka's distributed log, partitioning strategies, and consumer groups, you can eliminate database bottlenecks forever. Download the complete StreamSocial architecture blueprint, launch your local Dockerized cluster today, and build ultra-scalable backends that never break.